Welcome to Chemath Lab. We are looking at identifying like terms. Now, in this lesson, you are going to learn how to find like terms. When they say like terms, what do they mean? When they say like terms here, they mean the numbers that have something in common. For example, if I can mention, we see 9y and 5y. Both these numbers have a variable which is y. And when you look at 5 and 2, they are also numbers that are like terms. Why? Because they are numbers. They don't have any variable on them. Now, here we are going to write them together near each other. So we collect like terms. We write 9y plus 5y plus 5 plus 2. We are combining the like terms now. 9y plus 5y. 9 plus 5, that is 14. So we put y plus 5 plus 2, that is 7. So this is collecting like terms. We cannot add these together unless they have given us what y equals to. Why? Because this is like a sheep and a goat, and they cannot be put in the same skin. So let's look at the example number 2 here. We have 15c squared plus 10d plus 3c squared plus 2d. Now we are going to collect like terms. We have 15c squared and 3c squared. We are going to write them together. 15c squared plus 3c squared. Then plus 10d is also having another number which they are like 2d. Then in this case we write 15 plus 3, which is 18c squared. Then plus 10d plus 2d, 10 plus 2, that is 12d. Now, this is our final answer on collecting like terms because we cannot add this together. They are different. So, in this lesson, we have seen how to find like terms. Thank you for watching. Like our videos so that we can reach out to so many people who need these videos.